Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're just looking for a tricycle to take us to Corong Corong Beach, where we are meeting our party for our tour.
What's a corn silog?
Corn silog? It's corned beef with egg and rice. The ride to Corong Corong Beach from El Nido proper is about 5 or 10 minutes ride, and we paid 200 pesos for the ride. So part of our package with Eat Tours is we get free breakfast.
Hey guys!
Now we're heading to our boat. This is the view from Corong Corong Beach, and the weather is cloudy today.
Hi, Jason.
Hello everyone. My God, what happened?
Hello.
So everyone, did you eat your breakfast?
Yes.
Oh my God, I love it. Yeah, and my partner is Jaymar.
Hello.
Just call JM. Just call me Jason for short and Jason for long. Alright guys, so before starting with this, I would like to remind some restrictions and rules to be followed in the island. So the first one, everyone are not allowed to sleeping on the corals. While you are swimming snorkeling in the ocean, do not go to the shadow part and do not sleeping on the corals. Okay? Because coral is a very, very important submarine life. So yeah, like your partner, very important. And number 2, everyone are not allowed to eat anything from the island. Collecting of any kind of shells, limestone, sand, and bring to your country or bring to your home as a souvenir. Because if you get all I can see, it's confiscated to the airport, and that is a violation. You have to gonna pay some fines. 50,000 pesos first offense, 100 second, 150 third, and it is imprisonment. Okay?
Okay, now slow down. That's not deep. Hey Kayla,
Like, I'm not tiptoeing on my head.
is it sandy?
It's sandy. I have my feet on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it feels good. It feels good.
I don't get hot freedom.
Hey, don't. Tag one.
I got it. I was really good at paddling.
Matalas po yung mga ano.
Use the paddle. Keon, those rocks are sharp. Yes. No.
You know already when you do it.
Dude, you cannot. You gotta push.
Go like this. Strong.
Here, this is Philippine Power rice. This is string beans. It's vegetable with coconut milk, a little bit of curry. Vegetable spring roll. This is pakbet. Delicacies from the North Palawan. This is with coconut milk. It's vegetable. This is chop suey, mixed vegetable also.
You should eat about it. I want to go under, but I don't think you have to wear water shoes, right? Okay, let's go.